Hello, when I sent out this EdTech survey, let me zoom out a little bit. When I sent out this EdTech survey, I knew it was only heading for Gilmore teachers. So inside the settings here, that I could say, I could check this box, restrict users to Gilmore Academy trusted domains. But this requires teachers to sign in. If I want it anonymous, then I uncheck that. If I want it to be allowed for users outside of Gilmore, but I want to automatically grab their email addresses, I will select this, collect email addresses. But this can be a real big pain because it requires them to have a Google account somewhere. And so that can be frustrating. So I recommend, if you're sending out to public consumption, that in the settings you have nothing here checked. If you do, it will cause complications. So inside settings, no checks. And then if you have a question that requires them to enter in an email address, you just add it here. You just add in a questionnaire so that they have to specify that. Then when you want to send your email, before you ever send anything to parents that's through a Google Doc, you should check the link to make sure that a parent that doesn't have a Google account will be able to see it. So we hit the send button, and then let's go to this link and just shorten it just for readability, and I'll copy this. And so I went to send form, went to the link, and copied the link here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the ... and go to new incognito window, which is Shift Command N. And so a new incognito window, in incognito, you're not logged in anywhere. So that means you can go to google.com, it'll ask you to sign in, it doesn't know who you are, which also means you can test the link to see what a stranger would see. Bam, they get to your survey. So if in incognito mode you can view your survey, you've done it right. But you've got to remember to check incognito mode. And if you're sending a Google survey out to folks, that in the settings you have no checks. Okay, hope that helps. If you've already sent out the survey, good news is you can quickly change the settings on that survey, add in a question if you have to, and then that same link is the same one as before, so it's just been updated on the other end of this link, so it's a little friendlier. And then again, go to incognito window and check it over.